Guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's a black beast. It is a Harley Davidson Fat Bob 1690 engine in this bad boy on a 2014 plate. It's done 7,826 miles. Some right extras on this, and you'll see them anyway. You've got the old Screaming Eagle intake there. It's a stage one really, because it's got the Vance Hines on there as well. You've got the tuning fuel pack. It's a belter is this. Yeah, really, really nice. Look at that. And also, this is just to stop the actual rain or jet wash or whatever you're doing going onto your filter. Anyway, I'll pop that over there until we're finished. Cracker of a bike, keyless bikes. I'm going to give it a start up in a second, it's mega. Right? Wait for the cameraman just to show the old mileage on there, 7,826. Fuel gauge on the left hand side as well. Anyway, I'm going to give it a start up. Sounds mega. And also, look at the big screen. That'll keep the wind off you and a few wasps and flies. Anyway, guys, you've seen this absolute belter. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.